everyone, hope you're safe and well. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about my current favorite products, and this is a complete mixed bag. In fact, there is very less makeup. There are few products in every category which I've liked and loved. I've of course tried and tested them all. That's why I am showing them to you. Now, I'm not calling it a monthly favorites video because I had thought that I'll do a monthly favorites video, but then I quickly realized that neither I'm buying so much of stuff every month, nor I'm getting so much of PR that I have new products that I'm falling in love with each and every month. So yeah, let's just call it a current favorites video, which will come out every 3-4 months. The links and the details of the products which I'm going to show you today will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check it out. And now, without further ado, let's begin with skincare. Actually, there's just 2-3 products in every category, guys. Like, there's not like a lot of things in every category. So yeah, skincare first. Starting off with this product, this is L'Oreal Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. First thing off the bat, not sponsored. I bought it with my own money and I've been using it regularly, just once a day. That's why the bottle is not like really empty. It comes full to the brim, okay? I've used this much of it. I use this product after washing my face in the morning, and when my skin is still a little damp, you know. At that point of time, I apply the serum and my skin instantly feels super plump and hydrated. Being a dry skin person, I can tell you it's a fabulous product. I really do like it, and this is probably one thing which I'll keep buying. Like, every time it gets over, I'm gonna continue buying it. Really like it. The second skincare product is from Avene. It's their Rich Compensating Cream. This is the only moisturizer which I am using right now. I do use it in the morning and even in the night. This is one product which my dermat prescribed to me. I asked him that, you know, I have a dry skin because of my makeup. I do get a lot of dry patches sometimes. I just wanted one moisturizer which is good to use at any time of the day and in any season. This moisturizer is really something which you can use during the day or during the night, during summers, during winters, or any season whatsoever, and it's not going to feel sticky or oily or anything, and at the same time it is going to hydrate and moisturize your skin really well. This cream just works so well, guys. It is just such a great moisturizer. Again, this is something which I am going to continue buying once it gets over. Such a nice product. Next product is a face wash. It's from Simple and it's their moisturizing facial wash. Again, this is a product which is excellent for dry skin. It does not have any fragrance and it just cleans up your skin well. It hydrates it, moisturizes it, and cleans it to a T. I really like it and my dry skin loves it. It's a great face wash, guys, and this is the one which I'm currently using. Alright, now let's talk about makeup. As I told you, there are a limited number of things. The first product is actually a kit. It is from Smashbox. It is their Always On Liquid Lip Set. This lip set comes with these 4 shades. Here are the swatches of the 4 shades which come in this lip set. And also this shade that you see, I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. I love this lip set because there's not a single shade in this set which I would not use or use less. There is a color for every kind of a look. Also, it's a great set for beginners. Those single full-size always on liquid lipsticks are quite expensive. I think they are for some 2000 or 2100 rupees, and this entire set is for 2200 rupees. So it only makes sense if you've never tried those liquid lipsticks. It makes sense for you to get this one. You're of course getting 4 shades, and though it is a smaller size, but it does last long. Overall, it's good value for money. The shades are amazing. The formula is of course great. That's why I really like it. The next makeup product is this one. It's Colorbar 24-Hour Weightless Foundation. It's a long name actually. Weightless Liquid Foundation. I tried this foundation out pretty recently. I've used it 3-4 times and I really like the formula of this foundation. It's a medium coverage foundation, but it is so light on the skin. That's what I love about it. It sits very well on your skin and it gives a very nice and smooth matte finish. It is definitely one of those foundations which can be used on a regular basis. To sum it up, it's a good foundation, guys. I really like it. Next product is from e.l.f. It's their Halo Glow Setting Powder. You've seen me use this powder in few of my tutorials, guys, and I like it so much because it gives a very nice UV finish. It does not give you coverage as much as Maybelline Fit Me powder, but then Fit Me is a solid matte powder. To be very honest, I like a nice healthy dewy finish more than a matte finish. That's why I really like this powder. The next product is e.l.f. Cosmetics Highlighter. I think I've spoken about this highlighter in one of my tutorials, but I'm going to speak about it regardless. I added it to this list because I really like this highlighter. I've recently tried it, and what I like about it is that it gives almost like a wet look to your skin, if you know what I mean. Like, it does not have any chunky glitter. It is smooth on the skin. It is buildable. You can get a blinding look with it, and you can get a subtle look with it. Everything is actually amazing about this highlighter. Really like it. Let me just actually show you a swatch of it. This is in the shade White Gold. Not sure how much you can see this, but the thing which is shining on my hand is the highlighter. Now that my hand is away from the light, I think you can see it better. You can of course build it up if you like a really blinding highlighter, but I like this natural kind of a shine on the skin, like not too blinding and just a very beautiful subtle shine on the skin. Next, I've got a makeup brush set to show you. This is from a brand called Rumer Cosmetics. I've of course used these brushes, that's why they are dirty, but it's a great beginner's brush set, guys. It's a really good brush set for eye makeup. I have tried it quite a few times for different looks, and it blends the shades beautifully. It does pick the pigment well. It is also very soft on the skin. None of the brushes are harsh on the skin. There's a good variety of different sizes of brushes, and there is also a bigger brush in this brush set which can be used as a concealer brush. It is definitely value for money, guys, and it does perform really well. That's why I thought I'll show it to you. Alright, next I've got two shower gels to show you. The first one is Fiamma Men Shower Gel, and it's called Cool Burst Shower Gel. Though the shower gel is meant for men, but in our house, in our bathrooms, everything is unisex, okay? I also use Arjun's products. If you're feeling really hot, then you just need to take a shower with this shower gel because it is going to instantly freshen you up. It gives this really nice, cool, minty feeling in your body, which does sustain for some time. Like, it's not like continuously there, but yeah, after you take a shower and by the time you get ready, that cool feeling is going to be there. It's got menthol crystals, and that's how you get that cool feeling. It's a great shower gel for summers, guys. I love using this a lot of times, like especially on days when I feel extra hot. This is a shower gel which I use. Next body wash is from Bath & Body Works. It's their Rose and Lavender body wash. This is from their aromatherapy range. You guys know that I love the fragrance of rose, and there are of course a lot of products in my bathroom which do have the fragrance of rose. This is something which I recently tried out, and oh my god, the fragrance, guys, it is so good. It is very relaxing. It just smells amazing. What I really like about Bath & Body Works shower gels and shower creams is that they do moisturize the skin as well. Like, they don't feel drying on the skin or anything. They smell amazing and they feel amazing on the skin. Now lastly, I'm going to show you few hair products. The first hair product is from Aveda. It's their Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. This is the second time I've bought this hair cream, and the good thing about this hair cream is that it does moisturize your hair. Like, if you've got really dry hair, I've got super dry hair, guys, okay, and I do try out a lot of different hair products, and there are very few which I actually like and purchase again and again. So this is one of those products. After, you know, shampooing my hair, this is what I apply, and it doubles up as a heat resistant product as well. So I do style my hair a lot of times, right? Like, whenever I'm filming a video, I do try to style my hair. Either I straighten them, or I use my Dyson Airwrap, or I just use a lot of tools on my hair. I have been using it easily for 4-5 months now. It softens my hair, it makes them manageable, and I don't have to use a separate heat protecting product for my hair every time I'm styling them. It's kind of like an all-rounder because a lot of times when I use this, I don't even use a serum. Like, I don't feel the need to use a serum. I really do like this product and I'm definitely sticking to it. Okay, now the last and final product is actually a curling iron which I bought, and it is this one, guys. It is from this brand called Alan Truman. I'm going to link it below so you can see it, like see all the specifications and everything. So this is a thin curling iron, okay, and it is for those really thin curls. I did those curls 3 days ago on our daily vlogging channel. We actually, because obviously we are posting videos every day, there is this vlog where you can see how my hair are looking after curling them with this iron. And in this channel you can go to the community section. That video, I think I posted about it just 2 days ago, so you can check that video out. I'm also going to try and link it up here so that you can check it out. But I've always been a fan of super curly hair, but I had never done them. And I bought this thin curling iron on a whim. I bought it, I tried it, and I loved the result so much, guys. Like, I just loved how my hair were looking after I used this curling iron. It works so efficiently. It gives you proper thin curls. If you're into it, then of course you can consider buying this one. It's a great product. It's got temperature control as well. You can control the temperature. One more thing which I really liked about this curling iron, it did come with a glove. Usually curling irons don't come with a glove, but if at all you know, you want to protect your hand, then you can wear this glove. However, I don't find it too convenient because, you know, when you have to section your hair and stuff with a glove, it can get a bit difficult. But if you're a beginner and you want to be extra careful, then of course you can wear it. So yeah, this is the last and final product which I wanted to show you in this video. And that's it. With that, we've come to an end of this video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you're not following me on Instagram, then maybe you can follow me on Instagram if at all you want to. I do post some makeup related content and video updates on my Instagram handle. And if you haven't subscribed to our channels already, then please subscribe to our channels. We've got this channel where I post beauty content, and we've got another channel where we post daily vlogs. I'm going to leave all the links in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Do check out our content, and if you like it, then follow and subscribe. That's it from me for today, guys. Stay safe and take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.